You don't know the joke about the bed.
Is it why it's not made yet?
Now stay here with me because I've got a special introduction because we've had millions, well, thousands of entries for our Young Talent Time Pick a Song Super Lunch that McDonald's is providing for all our Young Talent Time viewers around Australia, those that write in and whose song is selected. And Tina Hopkins of Eastern Valley Way in Middle Cove in Sydney has written to us, and we've selected her song because it's a real beauty. And Tina wrote and asked if Karen Dunkerton could sing that great hit song called Borderline. So you, Tina, you'll be joining us for our Young Talent Time McDonald's Super Lunch, and here's Karen to sing your song. Well done, son.